Broetje Automation is a supplier of automated systems for composites production based in Germany.
At Broetje Automation, we focus on the integration of various processes for the factory of the future. We're here at CAMX in San Diego, and we're proudly showcasing our Staxx Flex end effector, which is a scalable AFP system which can be used for the layup of 8-toe or 16-toe versions of different materials such as pre-preg, dry fiber, or thermoplastic material. The Staxx Flex itself is part of the Staxx family, which is a scalable product family from plug-and-play testing solutions to higher layup rates of 2D and 3D composites parts.
Broetje Automation USA in Elk Grove Village, Illinois, has supplied automated riveting systems for the Boeing 787 composite fuselage, and its German parent has provided similar systems for the Airbus A350 composite fuselage panels.
With our Staxx Flex being the biggest composite solution available from Broetje Automation, we also offer our customers a variety of options, such as the Staxx box for layup tests, material testing, which is a convertible option. You can use the Staxx One end effector to be mounted on a standard robotics system, which will be the next option. Gives you a 5-axis layup, and then as production increases, you could use a Staxx Compact with tilting table options, or the Staxx One Portable as a full plug-and-play production center. Ending with the Staxx Flex as a premier solution for large-scale composite structures.